Welcome to a quick guide on how to enable email notifications for suggested people on the Facebook app right on your PC. This update makes sure you don't miss new friend suggestions while you're staying organized and productive. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your feed where stories and posts pop up from friends and pages you follow. From there, locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to the settings that control your experience. Click on your profile photo and a small menu will appear. Look for settings and privacy in that menu and click it. A new set of options will unfold. From there, select Settings. This section houses all the knobs and dials that customize how Facebook behaves for you. Within Settings, find the Notifications category. It's usually listed with other account-related options, and clicking it opens a range of notification types you can tailor to your liking. You'll see several subsections that cover different ways Facebook can reach you, including push, email, and SMS notifications. To refine things precisely, stay on the notifications page and look for the subsection labeled From People You May Know or something similar that references suggested friends. In that subsection, you'll see an option to enable email notifications. Toggle or switch this on so that Facebook can send you emails whenever there are new suggested people to consider connecting with. Enabling this keeps you informed even when you're not actively browsing the app, so you won't miss potential new connections. If you ever want to fine-tune further, you can go back to the same notifications area and adjust other channels or categories. For example, you might decide to receive alerts for friend requests, mentions, or comments all in one consolidated control center. The key is recognizing that email under From People You May Know is a switch that keeps you in the loop about new recommendations as they appear. That's all there is to it. A few taps and you're set to receive email updates about suggested friends, helping you expand your network with minimal effort. If you want, you can test it by asking a friend to send you a suggestion and watching for the email notification to land in your inbox.